Hey NailTubers! So everyone's into the Kawaii sets, but how much to get them done? These turned out so cute, and I'll show you how you can do them and save your coinage. Using this peach by MADAM GLAM as the primary color, I added this rosy gold glitter by Beetles, number 841. Isn't it pretty and sparkly? Now the label fell off of this, but it's a nude by Princess Nails by Diana. But I ended up not using it though, and you'll see why. Then white by Beetles, number 208. I'm almost out of it again. You can use any similar colors that you might already have, because Beetles is very affordable and offers a vast selection of colors, and you can get Beetles on Amazon and have it within a few days. And look at these charms, which is what inspired this set. Now I purchased the bears on AliExpress and showed them in my cutest AliExpress nail haul, and we all know AliExpress is easy on the pocket, but the sweet charms were gifted. If I remember right, DG sent them. Love you, DG. And you can get them on Amazon too. So how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing great because I managed to enjoy a little time off, and fortunately the weather was great too. I'm very glad you chose to be here, and I thank you for your support. So the nails are super long tapered square, and they're actually for doing enhancement structures like acrylic, polygel, builder gel, etc. But I've totally fallen for the idea of putting them to use for nail art. I started with the peach color on the pinky, and you'll only see one coat on the nails as I'll do the second coats off camera. But I do want to make sure to say that each coat of color is cured for 30 seconds. Now this was a total freestyle set, well, with the exception that I knew I'd use the charms. But even at this point, I had no idea what I wanted to do, and this design on the thumb triggered a flow. For some reason, I split a partition of the peach, leaving a jagged opening. Then I went in with the glitter and feathered it into the peach color, still leaving some opening. And I had no idea why. But I kept feeling like it needed another color. And as I turned around to see what else I could use, the light blue Cloudless by MADAM GLAM was right there. Isn't that something? Now I didn't think it would look right just adding it by itself, so I mixed it with white, picked it up with my brush, and you don't exactly have to use an ombre brush like this, it'll work with any brush, and marble it on. No particular pattern. And look at how it's turning out. I was amazed myself. So some same marbling at the top of the pinky. then the sheer glitter on the bottom. And it's basically just for background because the charms will end up mostly covering the ring and middle nails. The index is going to be solid. And I didn't do the nails in any particular order because this was a free flow and I was letting any other ideas come to me. So while that cures, I start a pattern for the middle finger. I was so glad how nice the blue looks in this set. Doesn't it have a beach vibe? I've done a set with Born Pretty, one with Mia's Secret. So from the top coats that we talked about, this time I'll use the Venalisa. I originally skipped top coating the pinky because the thought to sugar it had crossed my mind. So you see how easy this was? Some solid polish on a few nails, and that marble design takes no effort whatsoever. And especially on the thumb, look at how that thumb looks, guys. I mean, this set could have actually, had I done a few more of the nails similar to the thumb, this could have been worn as is without the charms, but you know I did set out to use them. I love it. The colors are gorgeous. Bougie nails on a budget. You can find affordable polishes. As a matter of fact, I do have an announcement. So, affordable Amazon nail haul will be starting this weekend. I usually post them on Saturdays. If you don't see them on Saturday, it'll be because of scheduling conflict, but definitely on the weekends. Affordable Amazon nail haul, try it with me, where someone will be the recipient of what I show in that video so that they can try the product as well. Also, let me not forget to mention that I usually cure top coats for 60 seconds. Now, these being heavier charms, I did use the McCart Bling Gel, and that's also cured for 60 seconds. The charms, guys, aren't they perfect for this? How much do you think a set like this would cost if you had them done? Now, once the charms went on, I decided maybe sugar was doing a little too much. So remember these clear stones? I felt like they wouldn't overpower the kawaii-ness. And look at how it turned out. I love it. I wanted to do something in a different color, and I'm very happy with how these turned out. If you enjoyed this and would like to see more, go ahead and click this link. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.